Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close a Subaru Crosstrek hood. First, always double-check that no tools, rags, or other items are left inside the engine bay. This prevents damage when the hood closes. Next, gently lower the hood until it's about 8 to 12 inches above the latch. Then, simply release it, letting its own weight do the work. After releasing the hood, it should latch securely with a distinct click. Check both sides to ensure it's fully closed and flush with the fenders. If it doesn't latch completely, press down firmly on the front edge, directly above the latch mechanism. Never push down on the center or force it from a high drop, as this can cause dents. Once the hood appears closed, perform a quick safety check. Visually confirm that it sits flush with the surrounding body panels. Then, gently try to lift the hood from the front edge. It should not open at all if properly latched. This simple step prevents accidental opening while driving, ensuring your safety and the integrity of your vehicle. To keep your hood latch working perfectly, regularly clean and lubricate the mechanism. A small amount of white lithium grease or a silicone spray can prevent sticking and corrosion. Periodically inspect the latch for any signs of wear or damage, addressing issues promptly. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.